What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I got a really cool box. So my first ever box opening was 2 Gary Vee of these sets, but not the collector's edition, just the regular 41 card set. But today I got the collector's edition with 1 guaranteed autograph in there and a better chance at grabbing one of the Gary Vee exclusive prizes cards. People have been pulling them and flipping them. I would keep mine, get a chance to get a meeting. So I got a couple more boxes of these coming. We're just going to open up the first one. This one showed up today by itself. I got 3 more, I think, coming. So yeah, let's rip into this. Hopefully we get something good. Way more sealed than last time. That's what we like to see. Alright. Just right into it. Ooh, it's a little bit backwards. Alright. Ooh, here's our auto on card right off the bat. Jo Adell, Angels, Prospect, Tom's autograph, 14 of 25, Jo Adell. I'm not a baseball guy, so I can honestly say, I used to know a lot of guys coming out, but now I honestly don't. I don't know many of these guys. But Jo Adell's our second card in. Pulled our auto. Hopefully we can pull some more. And that Gary Vee Experience card is still somewhere in here. Another good rookie. Mike Trout. So we're searching, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Bryce Harper. Ladd. It's a super cool card. Ronald Acuna Jr. Sensel. Pete Alonso. Add to my little group. Cody Bellinger. Bats. Javier Baez. Christian Yelich. So there we are. No Gary Vee exclusive prizes or experiences, and this one did get our auto. Jo Adell, Angels, 14 of 25. Prospect hunting. Pretty cool card. So that was the first box. I'll have 3 more of these, so we have 3 more shots to get even maybe a Pete Alonso or a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. auto, or the Gary Vee cool auto card, as well as the Gary Vee Experience card. So 3 more chances. We ain't done yet. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TD Sports Cards. Thanks.